morning, everyone. Welcome back to the print shop. Today, I'm going to put this hat on pause real quick, just to try to finish this one. I had to go get a bunch of foam yesterday because I couldn't find it anywhere, but I found some, so I went and grabbed everything they had. And yeah, let's get those hats done.
Hi, taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life, whipping the sauce when I cook like look left, look right, yeah, come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right, hook right. Make all the man them look twice. I'm way up, stood high, but I've been in the field like Suge Knight. And they know this took time. This what a legacy look like. This what a come with a come with a
Alright, so all the cats are done. This is it for me. We'll see you on the next one.